Hi everyone, it's Katina Lee again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Some people don't typically get a refund, and now all of a sudden they have a refund and they want to know, why did I get this refund? Where's this money coming from? There could be a number of reasons, and I will cover those right now. If you're getting a refund, that means you've overpaid on your taxes. Yep, I said it. You paid too much for your tax liability in a year. And that means you're getting a refund. Okay? Who's complaining? I'm not. I wouldn't. Give me back my money. We already don't like paying taxes. So anything we can get back and save, we'll take. Who doesn't want free money? Who doesn't want free money? Well, technically it's not free. It's just some of the money that you've paid throughout the year you're getting back. This is why. Some individuals get refunds due to tax credit. Tax credits, they may or may not apply to you, but this may be why you got a refund, okay? Earned income tax credit. If you make under a certain amount, the IRS is willing to give you some money, some of your money back. They understand you're making under a certain threshold. Another credit, the child tax credit. For most of you parents out there, if you qualify for the child tax credit, you're going to get some of that money back. Additional child tax credit or dependent care credit, right? Home savers energy tax credit. Self-employment tax credits. Yep, self-employed people get a tax credit. They'll in turn give you a tax refund. Energy car savers credit. You have the American Opportunity credit, the premium tax credit, the fuel tax credit, and the sick and family leave credit. These are a few of the credits that can help you reduce your tax liability for the year and give you a refund. There are deductions that can also help reduce your tax liability for the year and put some money back into your pocket. These deductions consist of medical expenses, mortgage interest, and charitable contributions. However, in order to get these deductions, your itemized deductions have to be more than the standard deduction. And the standard deduction is based on filing status and how much money you earn in the year. And I can go into that in details in a separate video because that can get a little tricky as well. A lot of people used to get confused about this. As deductions are more than the standard deduction, you qualify for getting some of this money that you've paid for medical expenses, mortgage interest, or charitable contributions. You can get that money back. If you're self-employed and you've been paying your quarterly taxes, you also may be eligible for receiving a refund, just like anybody else who work a 9-to-5 with an employer do. As long as you've been paying your taxes on a quarterly basis and you're meeting those minimums, you may receive a refund because it's possible that you've overpaid on your tax bill for the year. These are just a few reasons why some people get refunds. So if you're one of these people and you fall in one of these categories, this is why you're getting a refund. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Again, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Also hit the notifications icon so you can stay up to date with the content that I put out. It's going to be about taxes. I told y'all we was going to talk taxes. It's tax season. It's officially here. Don't be late on doing your taxes. If you have to file an extension, do an extension. Don't hurt yourself by getting hit with penalties and fees. Just do the extension and you'll have until October 15th to submit your taxes or pay your tax bill. All right? Till next time, thank you again. My name is Katina Lee. Bye.